Hello, good morning students. How are you beta? Fine. Okay, let me study experiment number 718, and today our aim is to find the reverse characteristics of the PN junction diode. Last time we have studied the characteristics of PN junction diode in forward bias, but today let me study about the reverse bias. So in reverse bias, the N type material is connected to battery positive and P type is connected to battery negative. That is the reverse bias. So in reverse bias, just we have interchanged the terminal of the diode. Generally, diode is not allowed to flow the current in reverse bias. It is flowing, but the current flows in reverse bias in micro range. So here we have connect the micro ampere meter, and let me study for this voltage to micro ampere current in reverse bias direction beta. So let we draw the circuit diagram, connect the circuit and observe the reading. Okay. Okay. Now here it is power supply. To change the voltage in a circuit, we have connect the rheostat. This is PN junction diode in reverse bias. Connect the here voltmeter. See here it is V. We have connect the voltmeter. Here it is a current meter, but in micro, so we have connect a digital current meter. Okay. Now this is a diode, and diode is in a reverse bias. This is a P type material. This is a N type material. Okay. So now let me start the circuit from this battery. Now for the zero current, zero voltage, the current is 0. The current is 0. Now as we increase the voltage by this rheostat, it is a 1 voltage. In 1 voltage the current is 0. Now for the 2 voltage, still the current is 0. For 3 voltage, now let me start from the first. For 0 the current is 0, but for the 1 voltage the reading shows the 3 micro ampere. For 2 voltage it shows 5. Let me change the voltage, adjust on 3 voltage, the current shows 7 micro ampere. For 4 voltage it shows 8 micro ampere. For 5 voltage it shows 10 micro ampere. For 6 voltage it shows 12 micro ampere. For 7 it shows 13. For 8 it shows 14. For 9 it shows 16, and for 10 voltage it shows 17. So in this way, as we increase the voltage, the current is increased, but it is very less current. It is in range of micro. Let me switch off the battery and note down this reading in observation table, and we will study the characteristics of the PN junction diode in reverse bias. Now let me note down this reading, and for this reverse bias voltage via reverse current IR in micro range. So for 0 voltage the current was 0, and for the 1 voltage the current was 3 micro ampere. For 2 voltage it is equal to 5. Similarly for the 3 it is 7, then 4 it is 8. For 10 it is 5, it is 10. For 6 voltage it is equal to 12, and for 7 it is 13. For 8 it is equal to 14. Now for 9 it is 16 and for 10 is 17. Now let me plot the graph. Here the voltage and current values are not negative. Its direction is negative. That's why the graph is in a third quadrant, beta. So here it is a VR and here IR. Let me plot the point and draw a graph. Now let me plot the point. For this 0 voltage the current is 0. For this 1 it is equal to 3. And similarly let me plot all the points as per the reading in our these are the points as per the we have draw a rough graph, but you will have to plot this graph in a graph page. Now join them with a smooth line. This is the nature of the PN diode in reverse bias. In reverse bias we can find the resistance of the diode at any voltage. So let me find the resistance in reverse bias at, let me say it is a 6 voltage. So let me find the resistance of this diode in reverse bias at 6 voltage. So at 6 voltage, when the V is equal to 6, it is equal to 12. So I is equal to I reverse, which is equal to 12 microampere. So resistance is equal to V upon I. So V is equal to 6 into 12 into 10 raised to minus 6. When goes to 10 raised to minus 6 numerator, it will be plus. So 6 by 12 into 10 raised to plus 6. So it is 0.5 into 10 raised to plus 6. You can say 5 into 10 raised to 5 ohm resistance in a resistance of the PN diode in reverse bias. So in this way we can study the PN junction diode in reverse bias. Okay students, so please note down this all things in your journal and complete your experiment. Okay, bye beta, have a nice day. Thank you very much.